Well, hi friends, welcome again on Scratch.
And now in this lesson we are gonna code to make this cat follow this mouse. So first we're gonna need this one as always. And then we're gonna need a block from the motion center. This one. Now let's make the number 15 to 33. And now we should take the forever loop from control. And then the if then loop. Now the most main part. We've got to use this block and this. We should pick random 1 to 10 into this one. Let's make 50 into 5. And then, oops. Let's put this here and then pick random in this here. And then in the middle, we should get the next costume block from the looks section. Next costume. And then the point towards mouse pointer from motion center. Which one is it? Here it is. Let's put it now. And now we should take another if-then loop. But before that, let's put move 10 steps so that it can even move. And if on edge bounce, so that if it crashes on any edge, so it can still bounce and then follow this again. And now we go to the controls and loop again, and now get this if then one again. And now we're gonna need touching mouse pointer from here. Here it is, it's on the top. And now we're gonna need place on meow until done from the sound section. And the last one is we're gonna find it from looks and say hello for 2 seconds. Let's make this say I got the mouse for 2 seconds here. Now let's run it. Okay, so it keep catching it unless we press this red button to stop the game. Bye, see you in our next episode.